Hey, it's your girl, Wilson Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Welcome to Preserve at Mayes Meadow, a stunning new community of to-be-built custom homes located in the heart of Cornelius, North Carolina. Now, this community will offer 154 home sites, giving you the opportunity to truly build a home that fits your lifestyle, from the layout to the finishes. Homes here will range from 3 to 7 bedrooms, 2 to 8.5 bathrooms, and around 1664 to over 4,000 square feet, with prices starting from $761,184. One of the standout features of this community is its balance of nature and community. Residents will enjoy over 6 acres of preserved green space, scenic walking trails, and even 2 breathtaking 200-year-old heritage trees. There will also be a playground and a pavilion, creating the perfect space to connect with neighbors, gather, and relax. Now, location is everything, and this community truly delivers. Preserve at Mayes Meadow is just minutes from shopping, dining, and entertainment. With quick access to I-77, getting around is easy, and Uptown Charlotte is only about 20 miles away, making commuting or weekend city trips a breeze. Now, let's talk about the home we're touring today. This is the Covington, one of the floor plans that can be built right here in Preserve at Mayes Meadow. And it's also one of the most popular for a good reason. The Covington offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and between 3,405 and 3,826 square feet of living space, with pricing starting at $836,829. As you enter the home, you're welcomed by a well-designed front entry that leads you past a private study, powder room, and a formal dining room, setting the tone for both functionality and elegance. The heart of the home features an open concept kitchen, breakfast area, and family room that's perfect for everyday living or entertaining. The kitchen truly shines with its large eating island and spacious walk-in pantry, making it both beautiful and practical. Upstairs, the owner's suite offers a private bath and a walk-in closet, while there are 3 additional bedrooms, each with walk-in closets, and a full bathroom complete the second floor. What really makes Covington special are the customizable options. Buyers can choose from multiple kitchen packages, add a command center office, a 2-story family room, or even a cathedral ceiling in the owner's suite. There are also options for a second floor loft, upgraded owner's bath packages, and even a finished basement with a basement cafe. So if you're looking for a home that offers space, flexibility, and a prime Cornelius location, Preserve at Mayes Meadow is definitely a community worth exploring. So if you'd like more information, want to schedule a private tour, or explore available homes, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.